What? No, the world, it's not a plan. Watch me properly. Hey, franchise choosing on 10-star general. I don't know what go already when I come to represent. Full effective. You know what go? You load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion boy. Watch me. A people's champion. What you mean? Hey, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, man, man. Right about now, you know. Yesterday, you know. I shut up the local video, you know. And I bless up the world boss. Local youth and I congratulate him on his journey. You see what I'm dealing? Some local people are running or tell me about them not condone teenage pregnancy. Who did say them do that? Respect you, brother. Alright, good. I want to know who did say them do that? Yo, someone understand myself, you know. It's what I deal with. Because I don't know what I chat about, you know. Enough youth I do them things that happen to every day, you know. But the reason why it load like that, you know, because of Vibes Cartel youth, right? Well, here we are going. Me as a man love how shorty stand up in the niggle between them like a piece of stump in a blind person way. I like that. That's what I deal with. Because when she set this a trend. That's what I deal with. Because more while, you know, man, have nobody to stand up for them, you know. Everything, man, just get a beat down, you know. That's what I deal with. So when I see she stand up there, so as a mother, top respect a trend she said. Because when I go school and all them shit, there enough little girl get pregnant when them go school. And their mother and father run take them up and carry them go have abortion. It scare them home and up to today day them can't have no picnic. You see what I deal with? So when I see Shorty stand up, I make the world know say that's how she go stand up. If anything for happen, she there right there. You can't move her from there. I say what? A top respect I have to give her because she's a trendsetter. You see what I deal with? And the local youth a trendsetter. I don't want nobody come tell me nothing. You see what I deal with? By the time I reach 23, I already have 2 youth already, you know. So I don't want nobody come play with it, you know, like feel like a joker, you know. Yo, when I youth, you know, my brother Bobby, him younger than me, and Bobby is 16 and have 2 youth, and me reach 19 and I have no youth. Yo, I myself must start check out. I wonder if something wrong with me. Oh the fuck, look at Bobby have youth over me. I told the man have me and I have none. I'm worried about it. Yo, you don't even understand what I go on, you know. Yo, irresponsible people, different from people who